Today, I'm going to show you 5 easy exercises you can do every morning to start your day right and work towards your fitness goals. These exercises are perfect for beginners and those with a busy schedule. You don't need any equipment, just a little bit of space and a whole lot of positive energy. We're going to breeze through these exercises together, focusing on proper form and having fun while we're at it. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. First up, we're going to kickstart our day with a classic, jumping jacks. Remember those from gym class? Well, they're back and ready to energize you. Jumping jacks are a fantastic way to get your heart rate up, warm up your muscles, and wake up your entire body. Don't worry about speed, just focus on moving those arms and legs in sync. Think of it as a little dance party for one. As you jump, imagine yourself shaking off any stress or tiredness from yesterday. We're starting fresh and feeling amazing. Keep those smiles bright and let's aim for 30 seconds of jumping jacks. You got this. Now that we've got our heart pumping, let's move on to some leg strengthening with squats. Squats are like magic for your lower body, working those thighs, glutes, and even your core. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Now, imagine you're about to sit back into a chair. Keep your back straight, chest up, and lower down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Make sure your knees are in line with your toes. We don't want any knee wobbles. Squeeze those glutes as you push back up to standing, feeling that awesome strength in your legs. Let's aim for 15 to 20 squats. And remember, quality over quantity. Focus on good form, and you'll feel the burn in all the right places. Step it up with lunges. Great work with those squats. Now let's keep the lower body love going with some lunges. Lunges are amazing for improving balance and coordination. Plus, they target those leg muscles from all angles. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Keep your front knee directly above your ankle, and make sure your back knee doesn't touch the ground. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position, and repeat on the other side. We're aiming for 10 lunges on each leg, alternating sides. Remember, keep your core engaged and stand tall throughout the exercise. You're doing fantastic. Power up with push-ups. Now it's time to give some love to our upper body with some push-ups. Push-ups are a classic exercise that work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. If you're new to push-ups or want a little modification, you can start with knee push-ups. Simply place your knees on the ground, keeping a straight line from your head to your knees. Lower your chest towards the ground, bending your elbows until your chest grazes the floor. Then, push back up to the starting position, engaging those chest and arm muscles. We're going for 10 to 15 reps, but feel free to adjust based on your fitness level. Remember, it's all about challenging yourself and making progress every day. Stretch and breathe. We did it. We've worked hard, and now it's time to give our muscles some love with a good stretch. Stretching is so important for improving flexibility, preventing injuries, and just feeling good in your body. Let's start by reaching our arms overhead, feeling a gentle stretch in our sides. Then, we can bend down and try to touch our toes, stretching those hamstrings. Take this time to take some deep breaths, inhaling positivity and exhaling any tension. Feel the stretch in your muscles and appreciate how strong and capable your body is. Remember, stretching should feel good. Don't push yourself too hard, and listen to your body. And that's it for today. I hope you found these exercises helpful and feel energized to conquer your day. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaching your fitness goals. Try to fit in these 5 exercises every morning, and I promise you'll start to see and feel a difference. Every step you take, every rep you complete, is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips and workouts, and share this video with a friend who might need a little morning motivation. See you next time.